Good morning. Hi, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we are where's that? Bicester Village. Today this is June's Bicester Village, a little vlog. I've come here on a bank holiday. I know it is the 3rd of June today, which is I think Jubilee Day was yesterday, and then today is another bank holiday, which is good for us. 4-day weekend, but yeah, I've come here today. It's meant to rain later, which but that's not till 12 and I'll probably be well gone by then, hopefully. I'm not going to be planning on staying here that long, but today I've come out to have a little suss of what is new at Bicester. There isn't any private sales or anything like last time. I think that was last time. I know it's been like a month, but I don't think I've been here since April, which is quite a long time for me. But no one's here at the moment. Can you see? There's no one here. So, and it's just nearly nine. So that's the perfect time to get here. But yeah, we'll see how busy it gets. I don't really like going around the shops when there's no one in there, because then I can't film, because it's just me and the sales associate, so that's really annoying. But today the car that just went past me was literally just in front of me and went to park somewhere else, but then came back here. I don't know. Also, just as a side note, as you can see, the car park is empty now. I'm near Ralph Lauren, is literally over there. I'm near that end, near the valet. That's where I always come to park. But when there was a man at the front of the car park with cones, and he put the cone back as soon as I went through. So I don't know whether they're trying to make me park in the multi-story, which I don't want to do that. So I would be like, I've got valet or something to try and park over here. But yeah, other than that, there are a few things on my list. I want to go back in Lululemon, because this top I got in Lululemon last time. If you haven't watched my video, I'll go put it up there, the last vlog and last haul. If you've not watched that, go have a look. But the running top I got in there last time, it is so thin and so nice. I got it for £11 because there was 20% off that day. But there's not going to be 20% off now. But I have got 10% off because I've got a blue light card. So, yeah, I've got that on my list. And then maybe some stuff for rituals for my mum's birthday. My eye is twitching. Without further ado, let's go and have a look around Bicester Village. If you're not already subscribe to my channel. We do a Bicester Village vlog and haul if I buy anything once a month. So yeah, let's go check out what Bicester has for June. So here we go into Bicester Village. Now, something really interesting, there was a sign here, you can see it, bottom left. They were filming some stuff here today, so there was a little warning sign. But first, let's go into Prada. I'm walking quite slowly, aren't I? This shirt, hello, £140 for that. And then these trousers I thought was such a nice colour, but I didn't get the price. There was a bit of like bare shelves a bit in Prada, which is a bit odd. But I did look at the scarf here. I know it's not scarf season whatsoever, but it was £190. Next we're going to go into Burbs, going to Burberry. Now, they had a Burberry trench in the classic colour here. And the price of that we're going to see now, which was it's just over £1,000. So RIP the days when they used to be a lot cheaper. This classic like Burberry check shirt, £159 for that. And then they've got some special price rails as well. That bag at the top there was really nice. I did not get the price of that. And there's some interesting other pieces in here as well. Lots of shoes. They don't normally have that many shoes and accessories on there. That's normally where the polo shirts are and stuff. We're not going into Gucci today, I'm sorry, the queue was already starting, so let's go into Dior. And they had a few quite nice Dior pieces in here. I don't know whether they just have the stock in the back or something, because there's like one on the shelf. I'm guessing so, unless it is that limited, I don't know. I did not ask. A nice sweatshirt there, about £800. And then they had some nice hoodies that just had Christian Dior written on in like sporty kind of print here. And you can just about see the price there. Next, let's go into Tommy Hilfiger, because I do love a bit of Tommy. Chinos for £63 in here. And I wanted to check out the bags, because I'm kind of on a hunt for a new bag that is bigger than the one I've got at the moment. £32 for that. Tommy Jeans one, but it wasn't, these aren't big enough. And then this £39 for the wash bag, which is more expensive than that, but it was bigger than the bags anyway. Hats in here are typically around £25 for like the classic very minimal logo Tommy Hilfiger hat. And they've got them in these kind of colours. I'm kind of on the lookout for a beige, possibly, potentially. So I did have a look while we were in Bicester and they did not really have much. So yeah, the t-shirts in here are around the £25. You can get ones sometimes for like 19 and things. Cargo shorts, if that's your vibe. I do have some short cargo shorts. £46 for those. There has a few nice shirts here. This one is so nice. It reminds me of like an ice cream man or something. The way it's all set up, £53 for that. And then they've got a really nice, I don't know, I call that peach kind of a colour. Really nice. And that it's like a bomber jacket is really nice as well. £126 for that. And then we're going to hop, skip and a jump over to the other side of the store. I don't know why I did it in this kind of format. Well, I was over that side anyway. But I beelined for this sweatshirt that I saw. This one here, which is in this nice beigey caramel colour. With just Tommy Hilfiger written on the front. And that price is £63, which is what they typically are for the sweatshirts in Tommy. Next we're going to go into North Face. I didn't get much in here, but they always seem to have similar stuff in here anyway. It doesn't really change from season to season. Sweatshirt in here. It's kind of like a waffle material. This t-shirt for £18, which is typical for the price of the t-shirts in here as well. And then they do have like quite a nice range of colours in here that are very, very up my colour palette. I would say it's about 10 o'clock now, and this is how busy it is even on a bank holiday. But next we're going to go into Ted Baker. They always seem to have that polo shirt at the front. It's like splattered with stuff. We've seen that many a time before. But this one I thought was particularly nice. Sorry, I'm just trying to find prices and things. Yeah, I found the price. This is a really nice one, £27 for that. I thought that was really nice and smart with the buttons for a polo, not a half zip or anything. And then what else did we see? Not really much too else in Ted Baker. Next we're going to go in Polo Ralph Lauren quickly to have a look to see what they've got. Nothing really ever changes too much in here really. This is just a plain white shirt with the logo on, and that is like £55. So yeah, and denim jacket is that price as well. That price that you just saw. My thing that I'm recording this voiceover on was in the way, so I can't really see. And they got some denim shorts with like a tie waist, which I thought was really nice as well. And then there's that white t-shirt again, and they were really rammed in the stuff there with like hoodies and stuff in there. And then they had this like an Aztec kind of print t-shirt, and then this kind of jacket, and then this very unlike Polo Ralph Lauren, I think, kind of like Hawaiian style shirt. And then there's a really nice one which has got popper buttons but really nice colours and everything. And this is how busy the car park was at the end. So I'm back home now. I look really shiny. I was going to film like the outro kind of bit in the car park, but there was literally, and I mean literally, a car in front of my car waiting like around just to see if there was anyone gonna go. So I had to get in and then go because he backed off so I could actually get out. But yeah, so the car park was full by the time I left, which was about 10:45-ish, so only an hour and 45 minutes after it opened. Bear in mind today I went on a bank holiday, so a lot more people are off on a bank holiday. And yeah, so it'd be a lot busier. There wasn't any, well, some stores had some specific promotions. Sometimes when you go to Bicester Village, they have stores have specific promotions on top of the outlet price. And some of them did have that. When we went in Burberry, which you saw, there was a few rails of special price. Now, if you watched one of my Come Shop With Me's at Bicester a while ago, where we went into the changing rooms in Burberry and tried something on, those things that I tried on were in special price, and one of those were £41. Unfortunately, none of the deals like that were there today. They were still quite expensive, the stuff they had in special price, and some of the special price stuff that was in the rail didn't have the new special price on, so maybe they hadn't done it yet or something. But other stores also had special prices, so like the coupons I went in, I didn't film anything because literally the sales associate was following me around the store. Not that it was a very big store anyway. There was an additional, like, can't remember, 30 or 40% off certain items, so that's a good one to look into. And I think someone's starting to mow their lawn or something. Yeah, cut hedges or something, so sorry about that. But yeah, so, and then All Saints always has an additional something percentage off, and I did get something in there, but you'll have to wait till the next video because I'm going to do, I wasn't planning on buying anything today, and lo and behold, I did. So you're going to have to wait to the next video to see what I picked up. I did pick something up, as I said, in All Saints and 2 other stores as well. One store I don't normally, well, I don't think I've ever bought anything in one of those stores. That I picked something up today. I did go in Lululemon because they also had an additional 20% off the reduced sticker price. They also had, and I've seen this in a lot of stores, some stores have got new in like spring stuff, as in stuff that's in full price stores. So you got to be a bit wary about that. But like Lululemon, and I didn't buy it because it was in a large and it looked really large, like another running top, and it was in like a green, like lime green tie-dye, which isn't the vibe I was going for anyway, but it was £9 and then you got 20% off on top of that, so that would have been such a good deal. But if they had it in a medium, I would have got it. I did go back into the store and it had gone. Actually, I did think I saw the person who was about to buy it, so that's a good price there. And some of the stuff they had was 14 or like 20, like 19, and then you got 20% off that as well. So good prices for that kind of stuff, especially as it's Lululemon, and like originally it would have been £40 or something upwards, at least like £40 minimum at least. I went in Radley because I was looking possibly at a bag for my mum. She likes Radley bags, and some of the stuff they had like £50 off handbags and things like that, and like some of the handbags are like 150, 125 in the outlet, so then you're getting like one for £75, which isn't too bad in terms of that. Where else did we go? I didn't get to go in Gucci because it looked like by the time I got to Gucci, I'd already been in Burberry and Prada, so it was probably about 9:15, 9:20. It looked like the virtual digital queue was already starting, so I did not pop into there. New Balance was quite disappointing. They didn't have any additional percentages off, I don't think. What else? There wasn't, yeah, so that's a good roundup. Ted Baker had a lot of sale stuff. And spoiler, I did get something in there as well, which I will show you in the next video. Under Armour, actually, I didn't film in Under Armour, but they had they had like a hoodie for £20, which an Under Armour hoodie for £20 is good, but I don't need another hoodie, I've got loads. So yeah, all in all, it was starting to get, like, as I said, the car park was practically full. I didn't see the park and ride signs up as I left, but I think the outside car park, the open air one, I don't know about the multi-stories, but the outside one was full by the time I came out at like 10:45. But that is bank holiday for you. That is normally what happens on a bank holiday, and it was noticeably a lot busier when walking around the stores, and just like in the open air bit, you know, the street as it were, was noticeably busier than it would be on a like normal weekday. Not I just saw a massive bee. Good, it went away. A non bank holiday, but as I said, it was a bank holiday, so you expect it to be a lot busier on a bank holiday and a weekend. But yes, other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, do take the moment to. It's free, no cost to you, and we do a Bicester Village come shop with me and haul if I buy anything every month. So if you like that kind of video, definitely definitely subscribe and ring my bell. I don't really have a schedule. Well, I do have a schedule, but I don't have a plan of exactly when I'd pop the Bicester Village video in, so you'll definitely want to subscribe to not miss that. And I also do lots of other come shop with me's and hauls and stuff like that on this channel as well, so you definitely won't want to miss them. And the next video after this video will be a haul even for the stuff I got. But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below if you've gone to an outlet recently. I think the last one I went to was London Designer Outlet, and I went to Bicester as well, and I did a comparison. I think that's the last time I went, possibly. So that was over a month ago at least. Time is just non-existent now, is it? But yeah, let me know down below if you've been to Bicester Village recently, picked up any bargains, or any other outlet and picked up any bargains as well. My eye's starting to twitch, that's so annoying. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, follow my Instagrams if you're not already. They're always linked down below for you to go check out. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video, which will be the haul from today. Thanks guys, bye.